This little lot is going to be turned into feeders for the birds. We're not using lard because, being vegetarian, that would be against our principles. So I'm scooping out the insides of the apple. Maybe make the top a bit bigger. So now I've hollowed out the apples, I've got to stick some of these sticks through the apples to make perches for the birds to sit on. Like so. So I've melted the crisp and dry in a pan, and into that I put some birdseed, a load of pumpkin seeds, peanuts, of the apple, the insides of the apple, and give that a bit of a stir around. I think we can have some more seeds in there. So while that's cooling a bit, I'll continue preparing the apples. So I've stuck the sticks through the apples and tied some string ready for hanging. Just got to fill them up now. I've had to heat it up a bit because it cooled down too much. Fill up the centre of each one. Press it down. Trying to get as much in as possible. There's loads of mixture left over, so I'm just going to pour it into a tin to make a cake for them. For those that can't perch on apples. Right, I'll just put this somewhere cool now to set. Put it outside in the conservatory, it's quite cool out there. So while I was out here in the conservatory putting these bird feeders out to set, I thought I'd take you on a tour of my seedlings. I've got broad beans coming up nicely, onions from seed, cauliflower and leeks, and over here we've got first early potatoes chitting. Well, let's hope they like them. So the next thing we're doing are chewy lemon snowdrop biscuits. Chewy lemon snowdrop biscuits.